Welcome to everyone. Today Ram will explain about Java.
Yes, but can you ask some questions? It will be quite interesting to answer your questions.
What is Java's primary purpose?
Java was originally designed for developing software for consumer electronic devices. However, it is now primarily used for a wide range of applications, including web development, mobile app development, Android, desktop applications, server-side applications, and more.
What are the main features of Java?
Java boasts several features that contribute to its popularity.
Platform independence.
Java applications can run on any platform that has a Java Virtual Machine, JVM, making it write once, run anywhere.
Object-oriented.
Java is an object-oriented programming (OOP) language, emphasizing the use of objects and classes.
Garbage collection.
Java manages memory automatically through a garbage collector, reducing memory-related issues. Security. Java has built-in security features to protect against viruses and malware.
Rich standard library.
It provides a comprehensive standard library for various functionalities, simplifying development.
How does Java achieve platform independence?
Java achieves platform independence through the use of the JVM. When you compile Java code, it is converted into bytecode, which is a platform-neutral binary format. This bytecode can then be executed on any system with a compatible JVM, allowing Java programs to run on different operating systems without modification.
What are the fundamental building blocks of Java programs?
Java programs consist of classes and objects. Classes define the blueprint for objects, and objects are instances of classes. Each class typically contains methods, functions, and fields, variables, to define the behavior and data associated with objects.
Can you explain the Java memory management system?
Java uses automatic memory management through a process called garbage collection. The JVM tracks object usage and reclaims memory from objects that are no longer referenced by the program, preventing memory leaks and manual memory management.
Explain the concept of multithreading in Java.
Multithreading allows a Java program to execute multiple threads, smaller units of a program, concurrently, sharing the same resources. This can improve performance in tasks like handling concurrent user requests or utilizing multi-core processors. Java provides built-in support for multithreading through the thread class in the java.util.concurrent package.
How is Java used in web development?
Java is commonly used in web development through frameworks like Spring and Java Server Faces, JSF. These frameworks simplify the creation of web applications, enabling developers to build robust, scalable, and secure systems. Java web applications often run on Java EE application servers like Apache Tomcat or Wildfly.
What are the different types of Java applications?
Java can be used to develop various types of applications, including
Java SE Standard Edition.
Used for desktop applications, command line tools, and standalone Java programs.
Java EE Enterprise Edition.
Designed for developing large-scale, enterprise-level applications such as web applications and services.
Java ME Micro Edition.
Geared towards developing applications for resource-constrained devices like mobile phones and embedded systems.
Android.
Android app development primarily uses Java and Kotlin for creating mobile applications.
What is the role of the Java Virtual Machine, JVM?
The JVM is a critical component of Java. It interprets and executes Java bytecode on a specific platform, ensuring that Java applications are portable across different systems. The JVM also manages memory, performs garbage collection, and provides other runtime services.
What are some popular Java development tools and frameworks?
Java developers often use tools and frameworks to streamline development. Some popular ones include Eclipse, IntelliIDEA, Spring Framework, Hibernate, Apache Maven.
Is Java still relevant in modern software development?
Yes, Java remains highly relevant in modern software development. It is widely used in web development via frameworks like Spring Boot, Android app development, big data processing with tools like Hadoop, and server-side applications. Java's strong community support, stability, and performance continue to make it a popular choice for a variety of projects.
Finally, what is the future of Java in software development?
Java continues to be a vital language in software development, especially in areas like web development, mobile app development, and big data processing. with innovations like modularization introduced in Java 9 and ongoing updates. Java remains adaptable and relevant in the ever-evolving tech industry.
Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel dedicated to all things Java programming. I'm passionate about sharing the exciting world of Java with you. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into the world of coding or an experienced developer seeking to expand your Java skills, you've come to the right place. Java is not just a programming language. It's a gateway to endless possibilities. From crafting elegant and efficient code to building powerful web applications, mobile apps, and more, Java empowers us to create the future. On this channel, I'm here to be your guide, mentor, and fellow explorer of the Java universe. We'll dive deep into Java's core concepts, tackle real-world coding challenges, and stay up to date with the latest trends and innovations. Together, we'll unlock the full potential of Java and embark on a journey of continuous learning and growth. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our vibrant community of Java enthusiasts. By subscribing, you'll never miss an opportunity to enhance your Java skills and connect with like-minded learners. Thank you for being part of this exciting adventure. Let's code, create, and innovate with Java.